What's up? Welcome to the Binions Hotel and Casino. Let's get to the video. Oh.
There is no hotel.
Yeah! I feel like we haven't been down here in a minute. That's new, huh?
Yeah. Soon there will be the wall burgers and
Taco Bell. That means you can drink at Taco Bell.
One of the hotels had the sign completely like out, remember? I think it was Binions. Should go look and see what it looks like.
Binions, this is creepy. Wow. Some people are super scared of clowns.
Yeah. I don't understand how. I like how we're following security. And now they'll be following us. Wow, Chippendales is getting squeezed.
I feel like we get a lot more shops and stuff down here.
Yeah. What is up with you tonight? Yeah, I'm trying to, but they keep hitting me.
You keep bumping me.
No, I'm running straight.
You're right here. It's like they ripped it all out up there.
Yeah, somebody left their Gatorade there from like 50 years ago. Wow.
Looks crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Circa, right?
Oh, that's what it's gonna be called? Ew. This is what it looks like. We never get here this early.
No, it's like daytime.
Okay. Well, where are we going? Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, we're gonna do a little walkthrough for Binions, and then we're gonna go do the other one.
Welcome to Binions before the remodel.
The blowout sale that's been going on for like thousands of years.
Well, they moved my little table, remember?
Yeah.
Look at all these old tables. There's all those clothes over there for sale, 80% off.
Yeah.
That are always here.
Right over there.
But it didn't say do not enter, so.
Yeah. Well, that's because this is where the Longhorn thing is. We have to go to the pool because they're gonna close. Well, there's Longhorn room. Oh wow! Remember last time this was just a bunch of stuff?
Yeah.
It wasn't like an actual wall.
I thought they had like stuff painted all over it.
They used to be like this.
Yeah, had all these hard hats in there. Must be their meeting place. Safety and orientation. There's a secret door, remember?
Oh yeah.
There's us.
Oh, I thought that was like a secret passage. The secret door still open? Does. There's something in there making a loud noise.
Hard hat area. Instruction, keep out. Alright, I don't want to.
That's not that. It's in there.
Oh, I think it's close.
Wow. Come on.
Yeah, we can take down the...
Gosh.
I don't know, that is so cool.
It's not too happy at you.
Oh gosh, are we gonna be stuck in here?
Not like we're going into the rooms we're not supposed to yet.
All this money flying around. Ew, why is that so greasy?
Why'd you touch it?
Ew. So their pool is open.
Yeah. So that's what their pool looks like right now in 2019.
Are they gonna
Probably.
As you can see, Resort World.
Yeah.
All of it.
That's what Resort World's looking like.
Are they remodeling the pool area as well when they do the rooms too? You don't think
Just
so?
the rooms.
Thank you.
Are you almost done?
An hour.
An hour? Hopefully it goes fast. Alright, casino. Well, just sitting there bored out of its mind. Remember that one time when you like hit the button and we went into the beer room? Or the basement? That was creepy.
Hi, Dad. What's up?
We're in the Binions Casino.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh god, this is it.
Yeah. We're in Binions right now, and I just tricked Mom into going into one of the hotel rooms.
Oh.
So guys, here's the hotel room and what they look like right now. We can't get in any, but the elevator took us to 4. So this is what level 4 looks like right now.
Mold on the floor. Let's go.
Now I creeped myself out.
It's a creepy feeling in here. Oh, I'm so creeped out. Jesus, I just jumped like 8 feet out of my mind. Hi.
How you doing, guys?
Good. How about you?
All right. Frightening on that floor?
Yeah, it was not what I was expecting.
I went ahead and I was like, I wonder if one of these will work. And I like pressed every one, and she was like,
I don't want to be here. Like, so we hit it, and then it the elevator dinged, and I swear I jumped like 8 feet.
We went to, last night, we're opening up the other side, the Apache side.
Okay.
We'll be opening 81 rooms.
Oh, nice.
We're storing them back to the originals. So we went on a little tour.
It's a little scary, right?
so for the Apache side, do you mean this side?
No, this is technically like what was the Mint originally. The other side, like you just walk through the casino just to where all the table games are.
Okay.
That's where the Apache hotel
Okay,
was.
alright.
Ah.
So those are the
Are they
80
going to remodel this side?
I'm probably eventually, but I don't know for sure. Like I said,
Yeah,
we've got
it's like a lot of
new,
work.
yes.
Oh my god.
Oh, you should see what the other side's completely torn apart.
Wow.
Do not go out there. It's
No, I
under
won't.
construction.
I'm not going
It's you
Yeah.
can't get
Yeah.
out there. These rooms are a little bit shouldn't be up there, but I'm
Yeah.
saying. But
Thank
the
you.
other side, they are redoing it.
Ah.
Those rooms haven't been opened in probably 30, 40 years.
Wow.
Have a good day.
Have a great night.
Well, that was interesting. So they are going to open 80 rooms, he said, in August.
Yeah. Right by security.
Alright.
That's funny.
If you want to get your picture with $1 million, you go to the left of us right now. We're going to keep walking because security is right behind us.
It is?
I think so. I'm not turning anything. Alright, here we are in Slot World. We have a ton of slot machines here.
What's that way?
I don't know. You know.
Let's see what's this one.
That's just to the other side of the upstairs. We could have come down.
Okay. Well, Binions is a little small.
Yeah.
Still fun though.
Go to the left. Ooh, we got these slot machines everywhere. This is their bar. We came here for St. Patrick's Day, and Dad got a green beer, I swear. Turned all his teeth green because it was so green. They got so much food coloring in it. There are table games. We got $5 minimum. That pays 6 to 5. People know. 3-card poker. Roulette, $5 minimum. The cashier is up here on our left. Some poker tables.
That was a lot of money that was going through
So,
the
I brought $1,000.
Minis. Smoking barbecue. Banquet rooms are downstairs.
There's Mini Mart. And this. Oh, is that the haunted place?
I don't know. I feel like this whole place is haunted. I get
That's the haunted place.
That's their banquet room.
Nobody goes down there.
After 2 a.m. Dun dun dun.
Mom, what do you think this is?
That used to be the old thermostat. This is
What do you think
where
this is?
payphones used to be.
What are those, Mom? No.
Doors.
I was talking about the payphones. There's the new Welcome to Binion sign.
Hold the camera down and we're gonna do this one. There's a cigar shop.
Are you guys vlogging?
Yeah.
You guys came here a long time ago, and then I'm like, oh my god, I subscribed to you guys.
Oh, thank you so
thanks.
much.
And that was
We
like a year
appreciate
ago when you and your husband were out there
Playing?
last year.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, we get viewers.
Yeah.
So fun.
So that was.
Edgar.
Oh, I didn't get a look at his name tag.
He subscribed, so.
Yep. Here's the board thing. So that's where the hotel's rooms are.
Oh yeah, this is the other side.
Let's go look outside. They're gonna redo those rooms?
Alright guys, so we talked to one of the supervisors and he said they're opening 80 of these rooms up in August. And this is the side of the tower he said it was going to be on. So you can see there's some wood up there in the windows. Some of the windows are open, air out probably. This is not the former vent part. We were just in there and it creeped me out. So, but you can see some of the construction equipment up in there. They're going to be doing 80 rooms, he said, to start. He's not sure when they'll start remodeling the mint side, but he said some of those rooms haven't been open for 40 plus years, so that's crazy. There's their Cowgirl Cantina bar. Alright, we're back. Welcome to the side of Binions. There's $2 minimum on the way. $10 on high card plus shuffle. $5 blackjack pays 6 to 5, guys. I know a lot of people like that. High down poker, minimum 5. And craps, minimum is 5. And then we got the big wheel is $1 minimum, I believe. I'm gonna go back through. So they have a William Hill sports book area by Smoking Benny's or Benny's Smoking Barbecue.
That's a really up-to-date one. No, I'm saying like most of the time it's all those like little LEDs.
Yeah. Here's this little cafe. It's kind of a seat yourself type deal.
Looks pretty nice.
Yeah. Here's what they have. Never frozen chicken wings. Hangover burger. Shrimp Alfredo, 14 cents. Pretty decent prices.
Yeah.
I think that's about it for Binions.
Yeah.
Small hotel. It's going to be a long video.
Yeah.
They got one bar here. That's the only bar I saw. Do you see? There used to be another over here. You want to go look?
Sure.
Alright. We're going to see if there's a little bar still over here. They were doing construction last time we were here. Security's over here. Alright.
I know.
Oh, look at that ceiling. Is that even healthy?
Probably not.
Yeah, right. Did they bring the arena dealers back? Oh, they did. So, anyway, that's a cool slot arena because I can go there. It means I go there sometimes. He'll play roulette when I play craps or blackjack. Oh,
I want to go through here.
We can't go that way, though.
Huh.
Look, Space Invaders.
That's pretty cool.
That's cool. Alright, we should ask our viewers, what's the most you've ever won on a slot machine? And what was it called? Alright, now we're on Fremont Street, Monday night. 7 o'clock. What do you think, Tom?
Not that busy.
No. There's the nurses.
You know what I bet their line is? Are you ready for your checkup?
Pretty smart.
Here's the little bar.
That sounds like